Hello, Nate here from Viking Masek US headquarters in Wisconsin. Today I will show you how to adjust and define the bag gripper width for the auto gripper control feature on a full-size Viking premade machine. The bag grippers on the Viking premade machine are adjustable arms connected to the rotating turret. The bag is loaded into the grippers by the machine pick-and-place system at station 1, then the turret rotates to take it to the different machine stations for processing. Our lineup of full-size Viking pre-made machines comes standard with automatic gripper control, which is a great feature that facilitates quick and easy size change adjustments. When the gripper width is properly defined on the machine, you can measure the width of the bag and then type that width into the machine control. The grippers will then automatically adjust to the correct width to hold the bag. By using the directions in this video to adjust and define the gripper width on your machine, we can ensure that the distance entered into the machine control matches the actual mechanical distance of the gripper sets. Adjusting and defining gripper width can be broken down into 3 easy steps. They are: Step 1, measuring the actual gripper width. Step 2, adjusting the gripper width. Step 3, defining the gripper width using the machine interface. In this step, we will measure the actual gripper width in millimeters. Step 1, install the jog button and use it to jog the machine in manual mode. If you're unfamiliar with how to do this, refer to the jog button video. Step 2, jog the gripper set until it stops at the bag loading station. The bag loading station is the best place to measure the actual gripper width. Step 3. Measure the actual gripper width in millimeters with a tape measure scale or ruler. For correct measurement, measure the distance between the outside edges of the left and right gripper pads. Step 4. Write down the measurement. Step 5. Repeat steps 1 through 4 to measure all gripper sets for your machine. You will need to record the actual measurement for each gripper set. In this step, we will adjust the gripper width so all sets are near the same distance apart. Step 1. Compare the measure widths of all gripper sets. For a good setup, the range should not deviate more than plus or minus 1.5 millimeters between all sets. Step 2. When at the bag loading station, adjust the gripper sets by locating the turnbuckle for the gripper set. It's under the turret and connects the gripper to its cam follower. Step 3. Loosen the jam nuts for the turnbuckle. Step 4. Rotate the turnbuckle to adjust the width of the grippers. Step 5. After adjusting the gripper to the needed distance, tighten the jam nuts of the turnbuckle to lock the adjustment into place. Pro tip: it is also possible to amend individual gripper arm mounting positions by using the slotted mount on the individual arms. But remember, their original mounting position is factory set to be centered to the machine's infeed conveyor. While it is possible to adjust gripper distance by changing their mounting position, by doing so, you are also changing their center distance in relation to the infeed conveyor. Changing the centering of the grippers to the infeed conveyor can cause missed bag handoffs from the pick-and-place system to the grippers, even when their distance is properly defined. If their position has not changed since factory setup, the turnbuckle is the best way to adjust gripper width. In this step, we'll teach the machine to identify the measured actual gripper distance. Step 1. Touch the gripper setup icon on the human machine interface to access the gripper setup page. Step 2. Enter the actual gripper measurement into the set box. Step 3. Turn off auto gripper control. Step 4. Press and hold the redefine position button for 3 seconds. By doing this, we just taught the machine control system the actual gripper distance. It uses this taught distance as a reference for future bag width changes. Well, there you have it. I hope this video helps you in solving an issue with your machine grippers and increases your production efficiency, or at least help in increasing your Viking pre-made pouch machine knowledge. For additional information, check out our website at vikingmasek.com or give us a call at the numbers listed at the end of this video. Till next time, happy packaging.